Hi, my name is Jacalenne Christian, a community nutrition instructor with Michigan State University Extension. Today we are making vegetable omelets in a mug. This recipe is courtesy of Food Hero.
Remember to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food.
To make the veggie omelet in a mug, you need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, and altogether 1/4 cup of veggies. And they could be any veggies that you want. Today I've chosen white onion, green pepper, and mushrooms. And then you'll need a large mug and some nonstick spray. You can coat the inside of your mug, and then we're going to combine our scrambled eggs, our 2 tablespoons of milk, our 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, and then some of our veggies. So we have our mushrooms, our green peppers, and our onions. I'm going to mix that around. Now we're going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds. We're going to stir it, and then we're going to put it back in for another 60 to 90 seconds. This is what it looked like after 45 seconds. So we're just going to stir this. And then put it in for another 60, 90 seconds. After another 60 seconds, this is what our omelet looked like. It might look a little wet on the top. Give it a second to dry off. And here is your veggie omelet made in a mug in the microwave in 1.5 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.